Imagine if the secret to building the toughest, most resilient structures was hidden inside our very own bodies. What if the bones that hold us up could inspire a new era of construction? This is no longer just an idea, it's a reality. Scientists have cracked the code on how to make cement that's 5 times tougher than anything we've ever seen. Researchers at Princeton University have turned to one of nature's greatest designs, the human femur, our thigh bone. Why? Because this bone, which bears the weight of our bodies, has a unique architecture that makes it incredibly tough and resistant to fractures. By mimicking the tubular structure of the femur called osteons, these researchers have created a cement paste with a strength and durability never before seen in traditional construction materials. The result? A cement that is not only 5.6 times stronger than regular concrete but also highly resistant to cracks. So, how does it work? In regular concrete, when a crack forms, it can spread quickly, leading to sudden and catastrophic failure. But in this new cement, the tubular structures trap and absorb the energy of these cracks, slowing them down and preventing further damage. This breakthrough is not just about preventing cracks, it's about making our infrastructure safer, more resilient, and ready to withstand the test of time. Think of the possibilities: bridges that stay intact, buildings that stand tall, and homes that resist natural disasters, all thanks to a simple yet revolutionary change in how we make cement. What's even more incredible is that this cement doesn't need steel or plastic fibers for reinforcement. Instead, it relies purely on geometry. The tubular structure within the cement itself provides all the strength and resilience needed. This reduces costs and environmental impact by eliminating extra materials that could degrade or corrode over time. This means faster, cheaper, and more sustainable construction. With this new cement, the future of building won't just be stronger, it'll be smarter. From earthquake-resistant structures to dams and skyscrapers, the potential applications are endless. Behind this innovation is a team of brilliant minds from Princeton University. By studying how our own bones handle stress and strain, they've developed a material that could revolutionize the entire construction industry. It's a perfect blend of biomimicry and engineering, a leap toward a future where buildings are built to last longer, withstand more, and offer more protection. Imagine a world where the bridges we cross every day don't wear down as fast, where skyscrapers can endure decades of harsh winds and earthquakes without collapsing. This human bone-inspired cement is setting the foundation for that future. The future of construction is changing, and it's not just about making things bigger, it's about making them smarter, tougher, and more reliable. With this game-changing cement, the way we build our world is evolving. From bridges to homes, this innovation could redefine our cities and infrastructure for generations to come. The world of tomorrow is being built today, and it's built to last. If you want to stay updated on the most groundbreaking innovations shaping the future, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. There's so much more to explore, and we're just getting started.